Realtors, listen up because I'm about to hit you with some harsh truths. Those thousands of lukewarm leads that you've been chasing, they're nothing more than a vanity metric, and they're giving you a false sense of security. I've sat there myself and done the 100 cold calls a day, desperately chasing after leads, hoping and praying to finally convert somebody. It's anything less than optimized, and it can actually lead to burnout and lack of motivation. So what the hell do I do then, Sam? Glad you asked. But before we get into it, here are a few hard pills you gotta swallow first. Hard pill number 1. It's a numbers game, right? Wrong. Not all leads are born equal. In fact, those cold leads are about as useful as a hammer made out of pillows. It's time to cut the fluff and focus on quality over quantity. Our free 3-step AAA system inside of Evolved Agents streamlines this process massively, but more on that later. Hard pill number 2. Have you ever heard of nurturing? Not the plant kind, but lead nurturing. 80% of sales are made between the 5th and the 12th contact. Yet over 50% of agents give up after the first attempt. Not all leads are created equal. Vetting and qualifying leads are just as important as finding them in the first place. Inside of Evolved Agents, we not only set up powerful systems to generate leads for you, but we also teach you exactly how to qualify them. Take Drew, for example, who joined us recently.
I've had about 160 leads generated, and then I've got about 7 right now, just after the first month, that are active qualified leads that I am hoping to help purchase or sell their house. That is an extremely beneficial and surprising result in terms of percentages.
Hard pill number 3. Ever heard the saying, your network is your net worth? That's right. Your next big deal might just come from a friend of a friend. Unexpected, huh? This is why social media is so powerful. All attention is good attention. In the real estate game, at least. Get the word out there about your properties however you can, in all methods. Hard pill number 4. So you've got a website. Big whoop. Is it optimized to capture leads? Ever heard of lead magnets, SEO, or conversion rates? We're talking about big game stuff here. A website or landing page that isn't optimized is literally kissing goodbye to 99% of traffic that comes through. Incorporating basic online marketing principles like website SEO can massively help. Not to mention offering a free product, acting as a lead magnet to harvest information and capture incoming traffic. Hard pill number 5. Are you using social media as a lead generation tool? And no, posting pictures of your dog and a property doesn't count. We're talking about leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to create a network of potential leads. An Evolved agent of ours, Ethan Plemons, recently has used social media to triple his clients in 1 month of working with us.
I've been working with Sam and Evolved Agents for about a month. And in that short amount of time, Sam and Evolved Agents has taken my business from about 20 clients to about 60.
All right, so I've busted a few myths, maybe ruffled a few feathers, but here's a punchline. Lead gen doesn't have to be complicated. With Evolved Agents by your side, we'll give you the lowdown, the step-by-step, the whole shebang to turn you into a lead gen maestro. Our 3-step AAA system is actually completely free, and we encourage you to use it. You can get access at www.evolvedagents.com. And if you want help implementing the system, then you can book a call with me and my team. We look forward to chatting with you.